Hey Aviators, this is Jade from DRM's Video Production. These are the weekly video announcements for May 2026, and this is...
Picket lines and picket signs. Don't punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see what's going on. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Right on.
Hi, my name is Jania from DRMS Video Production, and today I'm here with
Mrs. Brinkman.
Okay, and today I'm going to ask you a few questions about the 8th grade dance. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, first, when is it?
The dance is Friday, May 29th.
Okay, and what time?
It's from 5:30 to 8 o'clock.
Okay, what's the dress code?
It's semi-formal, but following the dress code of the school.
Okay, how much does it cost to get in?
It costs $18 because we're going to have a DJ, a full dinner, dessert, a punch bowl. So that's why it costs $18.
Who can all go?
Anybody in 8th grade that is not on the not eligible list.
And do you recommend that students go?
You guys, this is your last time as 8th graders all together celebrating dancing at Dallas Ranch. It's kind of a preview of how much fun you can have in high school. So I really recommend that you go and celebrate with all your friends.
Okay, thank you so much.
She says she wanna come to Toronto.
Yeah. Hey.
This is Toronto, Canada's biggest city. 2,233 miles from Antioch, up to $664 for a flight. Best way to get there is to take a flight to Toronto Pearson International Airport or YYZ. Attractions include CN Tower, Dundas Square, and the waterfront. Toronto Four Seasons Hotel is one of the best hotels to stay at for $655 a night. Come to Toronto, the New York of Canada.
Hey viewers, this is Eli with DRMS Video Production. I'm here with
George.
Miss D?
Jazz.
you watch basketball?
Yeah, a little.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Are you watching the NBA playoffs?
Yeah.
Who do you think is gonna win? Spurs or Trailblazers?
The Spurs.
Trailblazers. Spurs.
Knicks or Hawks?
Mix.
Knicks.
Knicks.
Nuggets or Wolves?
Nuggets.
Nuggets. Nuggets.
Celtics or 76ers?
76ers. Celtics.
The Celtics is taking it.
And who do you think is gonna win it all?
OKC.
The Spoons. 76ers.
Okay, thank you.
Look at that man over there, son. He's afraid of what he'll find.
You see those large, heavily armed men? They suspect you have killed their leader, and they want you dead.
Quick?
Okay, action!
We're just actors.
Your beloved bride.
I now pronounce you husband and knife. Who poisoned the maid of honor?
Oh, Bonnie, there's a package for you. Oh, thank you, thank you.
I know a girl from an island. She stands apart from the crowd. She loves the sea and her people.
I can't believe our first hit in my team. MJ, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it.
My name is DJ, and I'd rather watch Spider-Man.
My name is Han, and the Minions movie's gonna be tough.
My name is Anthony, and I'm not gonna lie, I choose the movie Moana.
Hi, my name is Maya, and I choose Moana.
My name is Ryan, I choose Spider-Man.
My name's Kevin. I'm in 7th grade, and if I would have to pick a movie, I would pick Moana.
Jason, and I would watch the new Spider-Man movie.
My name's John. I want to watch the Minions. The Minions.
I'm Ernesto, and I'd rather watch Spider-Man Brand New Day.
Hi, this is Mrs. Brinkman, and I would rather watch Toy Story 5.
It's DM, it's Amanda, and we would want to watch Toy Story 5.
My name's Mia, and I'd rather watch Spider-Man.
My name's Arya, and I'd rather watch Spider-Man.
I can't believe our first hit in my team. MJ, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I wanna lock in your
My name is Mas for DMS Video Production, and I'm here with
Amir.
Amir.
And you guys know when summer break is?
I don't know.
Nah.
It's in 36 days. And what will you guys be doing in summer?
I think I'll be in the water park, Six Flags.
I'll just be riding my bike.
And who would you guys be with?
I'm gonna be with you. Who else?
What was the question?
Who you'll be with?
My family.
And
And are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
My name is Miles from DRMS Video Production, and I'm here with
Miss D.
And do you know when is summer break?
Yeah, June 5th.
That's exactly in 36 days, right?
Yeah,
And are you excited?
absolutely.
What will you be doing?
Playing my game.
Okay, and who will you be with this summer?
My dog and my other half.
Okay, thank you.
Mrs. Brinkman. For hobbies, I go to the gym every day at 4:55, and I also love gardening. I have a lot of succulents. My first language is American Sign Language, ASL, because both my parents are deaf. I have 2 dogs.
So cute! So
Golden
cute!
Retrievers. One is Hazel and the other is Lavi. I've been coaching volleyball here at DRMS for 16 years.
In the 2026 NFL Draft, the Las Vegas Raiders select Fernando Mendoza, quarterback, Indiana. The New York Jets select David Bailey, linebacker, Texas Tech. NFL Draft, the Arizona Cardinals select Jeremiah Love, running back, Notre Dame.
NFL Draft, the San Francisco 49ers select Deshaun Stribling, wide receiver, Ole Miss.
Get used to seeing this. You look at his bio, you see Washington State, Oklahoma State, and then Ole Miss. This is the new age of college football with guys bouncing all around. You guys said wide receiver. That's exactly what the Niners have decided to do.
Yeah, it was going to be wide receiver. They didn't decide to go with Denzel Boston, who didn't run a 40. Instead, they went with a guy who ran a fast 40. And what really stood out is
With the 13th pick in the 2026 NFL Draft, the Los Angeles Rams select Ty Simpson, quarterback, Alabama.
Told us. Yeah, sure did. Yeah.
Ty Simpson, the selection, the Matthew Stafford heir apparent now in round number 1, 13th overall pick. Guys, we talked about
Mosh pits and beer chests, stage diver, skydiver, spray the crowd with cold water. Now it's mosh pits and wet tits. I think I need a cold shower, cool water.
Want to spend your vacation in Korea? Here are tips and facts about Korea that might just help you.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should.
You need a passport for identification and verification.
Plane tickets from Antioch, California to Korea range from $700 to $1,400 per ticket. It takes about 11 hours and 49 minutes to get to Korea. Antioch is 5,632 miles away from Korea. Need a place to stay? Signal Seoul hotel pricing range is approximately $134 per night. These are the top tourist attractions in Korea. Come to Korea to learn more about their culture.
My name is Maj for DRMS Video Production, and I'm here with
Logan.